Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. After the recent move, we got another proof that bulls are really taking control, and I'll show you why. This is the recent diamond top pattern that I was showing you in my previous video. And by the way, before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's move back to this chart, and this is the 4-hourly time frame. Yesterday we were watching at this diamond top pattern on the hourly time frame chart. So this diamond top pattern is a bearish bias and considered to be a bearish reversal. We got a pump and it dumped here, and then on the very next candlestick the price line pumped again and broke out the resistance of this diamond top. So this bearish reversal pattern is not broken down. We had a fake out to the downside. Even it was breaking down, not completely broke down and reversed back, and now it is moving towards the upside. So this is the first sign that bulls are really taking control of the price line, and they're not letting the price line move to the downside. And if we watch the different simple moving averages on this 4-hourly time frame, then I was telling you that we are going to receive a golden cross on this 4-hourly time frame between the 250 simple moving average. Right now we have received this bull cross between the 225 simple moving average. This yellow line is the 200, and this green line is 50 simple moving average. You can see how aggressively now 50 simple moving average is moving towards the upside to form a golden cross with 200 simple moving average. And before this, we have already received a bull cross between the 100, this red line is the 100 simple moving average, and the 50 simple moving average. And after this bull cross, we can see how the price line rallied very well. Now, if we switch to the daily time frame chart back, then we can see that we have broken out this longest time period down channel. We broke out the resistance of $39,600. That was a very strong resistance. Previously, it has been breaking several times as a resistance and as a support at the several places. And now we have an upcoming resistance of $44,000. Right now the price line is hitting $43,000, and soon it can hit this resistance of $44,000, and that is also a very significant resistance level. You can see previously this $44,000 has been breaking as several times as a support here and as a support here. So it can again work as a very strong resistance and here as a support before this breakdown. Now I would like to show you another bull cross that we have received on the daily time frame. And for more than 2 or 3 videos, I have been telling you that I'm waiting for this bullish signal, the bull cross between the exponential moving average 10 and 21. This red one is the 21, and this blue line is the exponential moving average, the EM at 10. Now we can see that this EM at 10 has crossed up the EM at 21 on the daily time frame. And if we watch the recent history, then we can see that when we received a bull cross here, when this blue line crossed up this red line on 1st of October, 2nd of October, then we had a very nice rally. Let me just show you this the power of this bull cross. That was more than approximately 60% rally. And before that, we received this bull cross here. That was after the bull cross I am showing you. After the bull cross, we had approximately 58% rally, and before that, we received this bull cross here back in October 2020, and after this bull cross we had a very big move. Let me just show you how much this bull cross was powerful. Before this death cross or a bear cross, we had, after this bull cross, we had more than approximately 500% move. That was also a very big move. And same as like that, we have again received the bull cross, and now we can expect that the price line will soon break out the next resistance, and we will have another very nice rally. And once we will receive a golden cross on the 4-hourly time frame, then there will be a very high probability that soon the price line will also form a golden cross on the daily time frame chart as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.